Okay, let's take a look to the filtering and editing QSOs. We have here a filter, create, it's also shortcut F12, and let's open the filter like this. So we can put here a call sign that is exactly what we want to find out, or the include means that we put the part of the call sign here, and it will select all the call signs having similarity like this. And now we should get all the call signs starting with 08. So there is a contest name and the date, calendar enter, and perhaps the DO key is new one, and most of these are old ones, they have been there before. The satellite name is a new one. Then there is a selection reverse filter. It means that it will do the not operation. If I want to find all the QSOs starting with 08, but then I check the reverse, it means that find all the QSOs that do not start with 08. So you can turn around to filter with this one. And then there is a remember filter, because if you are trying to find something and you put some filtering here, and then you go to the QSO list to see what happened and it wasn't right, and you come back, you have again empty list here. But if you put the remember filter there, you can come back to the settings you were using before. And in that case, if you got all settings here, you can clear all them with a button clear filter. You can save and load the filter if you want to save it for future. And let's see now what happens when I selected this 08 include, and I also used the remember here. So we got here some QSOs, and after I said OK, we see only the 08 QSOs here. And now we can go back with the F12 or this selection, and we got the same filter settings there because the remember is still on. And if now we choose the reverse and press OK, so we got all other QSOs but not the 08 QSOs, so that is the reverse meaning. And if we now want to design a new filter and we had this remember on, we can push clear filter here and it will clean all these settings, and we can start from the empty filter. And as you see, we have still filter active. We can release it from cancel filter or use the shortcut key Shift and F12, and then we see again all the QSOs. So the filter can find quite a lot of things if you design it right. And then there is group edit. It is very dangerous command. There is button that shows cancel, but it cannot cancel the operation that has been done. So when you press the apply, the operation is done and there is no way to turn back. So before you use the group edit, please make a backup from your log, because there is no way to come back if you made a wrong filtering. So now we can see that we don't have any filters on, and it will tell that apply will affect the whole log, every QSO in a log. And then we can select what field we want to change, and we can select QSL received. Now it wants the last time make a backup, because this operation cannot be undone. And then it depends what field you select. The value is either selected from the list here, or you can write manually a text to this, but it depends what field are you changing. So now we have QSL received, and we mark all the QSOs in the log with the value Q apply, like this. And now you can see they all got the value Q, and you get the green here, edit is done, and from the cancel button you can close the group edit. So we can also turn it back, but let's see that we want to affect only this QSO and that one and that one. You can select the QSOs from this view with keeping the Ctrl key down and pressing the left button of the mouse. So you can take some selected QSOs here, and now when you open the group edit, it will say that the apply will affect the selected QSOs. And let's see what happens. QSL received again. We got the warning, and now we put empty field to the selected QSOs and apply. It asks, do you really want to clear the received field? Yes. The yellow color means it's working, and then the green that the work is done, and you can see that we have here 3 empty columns now. And we can also use the filter first. Let's take the OH QSOs like this. Now we got all the OH QSOs selected, and now we take the group edit. It will tell you that the apply will affect the filtered QSOs. And let's play with the same column now, like this, and we can, no, it's not the same at the moment, QSL received, like this, and we can put these to these QSOs, and let's see what happens, like this. And now we can cancel the filter, and we got all the QSOs here, and the filtered ones were changed. So the group filter is very powerful, but it's also very dangerous, so please remember your backups.